Welcome to ProFit TV. My name is Samantha Silver, and today I'm going to show you why ProFit is the world's favorite hole saw system. So first, I'm going to show you that with soft stones, you can use our multi-purpose hole saw. I'm going to pre-drill a hole with a masonry center drill into the brick. And then with our quick lock system, you can slide it on, lock it in place, and finish drilling your hole. For something harder like tile, you need to use our diamond dry system. So this is a system that allows you not to use water, which means no mess. So insert my center drill. Alright, and then once I've done that, I can put the hole saw on, lock it into place, and finish cutting my hole. So as you can see, the mess is quite contained. If you use something like an angle grinder, it shoots out dust all over the room. It creates a big mess. Also, with the center drill bit, you can drill a hole without skidding across the tile. That's all for now. See you next time on ProFit TV.